Hi my friends, this is Ian Stewart. Welcome to step 3. Are you excited yet? You should be. In step 1, I taught you how to brand yourself. A lot of the pages that you will be using throughout Buildabizonline to promote your existing business will be brandable. Step 2, I taught you how to find a profitable niche, something to sell. If you are brand new, step 2 is important to you. Okay, if you are an existing member, you can skip this, that one, and come straight to this page, step 3. Okay, so in this video, what I've got to do is show you how to add programs to your programs page. Explanation time. What is a programs page to all you new ones? It is a page where you can showcase what you want to sell people. It is an advertising page, and mine looks like this. Okay, let's scroll down. Can you see that's got my username on it? Now yours would have your username on it, and we'll teach you how to find that in a bit. Okay, so it is a brandable page, like most pages throughout Buildabizonline. You will add your branding image or logo just there. You will be able to see yours when it's your username, and you'll see your name just there. Okay, so that's great. That's that. We've put this on here to tell people that you personally recommend the programs below. Okay, not Buildabizonline, but you. Now, because I sell or promote tools, okay, Buildabizonline, my ad is right at the top of this page. The other programs that I belong to are advertising programs, and they are listed there, and at the bottom there is a separate video on how to do all this. Okay, if you need it, just send me a request just here. And incidentally, if you ever get stuck on anything, don't quit. Don't quit. Okay, thinking that you cannot do this. We've got some members that are nearly 90 years old learning new tricks. Old dogs can learn new tricks because we are trainers. We are dog trainers, if you like. Okay, my friend, you're not dogs, not really. Okay, but this is an advertising page. Now, we want to teach you how to get your ads onto here. Now, there's one program that I've just joined that I have neglected to add onto this program, okay? And it is this. It's called Harvest Traffic Co-op. Now, more about this in step 4. It'll be listed in there, so you can join this whenever you want. And the reason I join co-ops is because I am too busy helping you lovely people, and I haven't got time to surf for credits to advertise to people that would be interested in my profitable niche, which is Buildabizonline and the tools it provides. Okay, so I join co-ops. Now there's 2 mentioned in there in step 4. You can join them underneath your sponsor. That is fair. Okay, you don't join everything underneath me. That would be unfair. Okay, this program owner, Ian Stewart, will not keep sending you links saying join this under me, below your sponsor. Okay, we put it in what we call step 4, which is basically a downline builder full of programs that can make you money, but also programs, usually most of them, advertising programs. Now, I need to add this one. So I need a few things. So let us go to our members area. Okay. Now, where do you add them? These programs onto your program page? Well, this gives you a clue. Add or edit your program. So you hover over the top, you slide down, and you left click. There is a video, okay, on how to add them properly, but I'm also going to teach you how to do that right now. There's basically 4 baby steps that must be adhered to, especially the instructions in red. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we go, 4 little boxes. Now then, please note, do not add any characters. So this is your title. The affiliate program title goes in there. So I'm going to put join harvest traffic here. Okay, that will become clickable. All will be revealed in a moment. Okay, now we've made this as simple as possible to help those that are low tech. Shall we say low tech? And we love these people. I love them, especially because I love to teach them a little bit more advanced stuff. Now, what we need is my affiliate program URL. So we go back up here, and the one that I want to promote is, where is it now? Let's have a look. See this one here? If I use this one, it will rotate, copy, all these little splash pages. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here. Whoops, wrong one. Let me put that somewhere else so I don't keep getting mixed up. And I'm going to put that affiliate. Did you see what I did there, by the way, guys? Left click at the end. This is for you new people, okay? And then go over the top with my left finger down and it highlights it. Then I can right click and I can click copy. Okay. Now then, paste. Okay. Now we need a 468. Now let me just run through this again. Sorry about this. Do not add any characters like these. Brackets, semicolons, colons, all this sort of thing, full stops. Just put it in plain text, okay? Do not put no quotes in it, no nothing, okay? This must have HTTPS at the beginning, okay? So HTTPS, it's called a protocol, and that is the correct protocol. It means that that side is for safe. Now then, and also the same with your 468 times 60 banner. Now you can put something in there that's as big as its world if you want, but it will shrink it right down to 468 times 60 because that's the best that we've found that works. So we're looking for a banner. Now where were they, guys? Here they are, look here. And I'm going to choose that one. Now then, do not copy this code and then put it in that box, because I promise you it will look ugly and it will not work. So, okay then, Ian, how do you find your image link? Now, in this case, can you see that? It says M-I-M-G. You copy from there to the next colon, okay? Not colon. Or there's another way of doing it. Go over the top, right click, and click copy image address. I find that a lot easier. Left click in the box and then right click and then click paste. Voila. Okay, so that's good. Now then, what am I going to put in there? Let's find something over here. And we're going to have a look. So have they got the big traffic belongs to the, no, I don't know what that means. Let's have a look. Plant your seeds. Here you go. Oh, so, yeah. I think I like that. The big traffic harvest belongs to those who plant. I think I'm just going to copy that, okay? Because we do not want to upset this rule. Your description should be under 200 characters long. Okay, if it is more than that, then it won't work. So all I'm going to do is show you how to do this right now. So I'm going to click Add Program. Now, you're going to love me for this. You're going to love me for this. Because what is going to happen as soon as I hit that Add Program, if you've got a downline, at Buildabizonline, if you've been building your downline at Buildabizonline and promoting the Buildabizonline splash pages and so on to bring people into Buildabizonline, as soon as I hit add program, it will send an email to all of your sponsors, all of your downline, sorry, telling them that you have just added a program. Okay, so I'm going to click add program. Okay, now up here, there you go. It's just sent an email to everybody, and that program should be in the list, and it's there. Now I'm going to click edit because I want it above this, number 5. So I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to click 5. Okay, and I'm going to click edit. I'm also going to go to this because we show you in another video, because that says 5, and I'm going to put 6, and then I'm going to click that. Okay, so what happens now when I go over to my programs page and I scroll down? It hasn't changed. That is because we need to hit this and refresh the page. Then what we should see is the program that we just added. Now, incidentally, this is brand new, this is, guys. So anybody that's seeing this now on the 4th of the 3rd, 2021, has got a fantastic opportunity. I have sent out an email to all the members saying it's in there. And I do encourage you to go to step 4 as well and have a look at the program. But a lot of my downline, and I've got, because I concentrate on nothing but Buildabizonline, I've got bigger downline than most that are upgraded, because that's all I concentrate on. Okay, I'm not saying you have to do that, but I am a tool seller. So that's what I do. So I have signed up quite a few. A lot have upgraded. So I've made some money over at Harvest Traffic. You don't have to do the same. It's entirely up to you. But that is how to add a program onto your programs or advertising page, whichever you want to call it. Now, what I will do now, I will grab this link and I will promote it in this program while clicking on advertising. Okay, and then my websites, and I will add it in there, and that splash page, that's programs page or advertising page, will be promoted to literally hundreds and hundreds of traffic programs. And that's why I use traffic co-ops. Okay, so here endeth the 3rd lesson. Please go on to step 4 and we'll show you how to advertise, and I basically just taught you the same thing, but there are some programs down there. Please follow the video. Okay, thanks for listening. Any questions at all, come over to your members area, you click on this and you let me know. If you need any one-to-one training, I will send you a link and you can join here. Well, you just click on, I'll just ask you to click on that. Okay, now then, let me just show you something brand new while we're here. If you want to join our Telegram messaging program, group, I should say, then just click on there. And then all I have to do then, let me drag this down. I'll drag this down. And in my little system tray down the bottom that looks totally confusion, I click on there and I will get a message. Can you see that? It's just like Messenger or WhatsApp. Contact me. We've got 3 ways and I'm here to help. So my friends, thanks for listening and bye for now. See you in step 4.